Hello and welcome to another Isometria devlog. In this week's episode, I'm going to talk about some changes I've made, specifically UI improvements, some new items, character customization options, as well as the beginnings of a new boss. A lot of the changes were under the hood, such as improving some memory management systems and clearing up some bad code, but otherwise, most of the changes that I've done have been setting up the future of the game for internationalization, as well as better support for foreign languages and fonts, things like that. So anyway, let's get started. I've been working on King Squish, who is a giant octopus found in the ocean. Currently, he doesn't have any animations or any special moves. He kind of just sits here, but I'm working on him and he'll get there eventually. He comes with a couple tentacles that'll try and get you, and he'll have some special moves soon enough and some animations, but currently he is in his base form. I've greatly improved the Create Player screen, such that you can now actually preview your player. You can rotate and change hairstyles as well. I'll be adding some new hairstyles and maybe a few other options to this customization page. A few new items have also been added, specifically the tin lamp, which is a slightly more powerful lamp that you can build. I've also added the whirlwind, which is completely overpowered right now, but overall it's just a giant machine gun. I'll probably have to tone it down just a notch. Another new weapon that I'll have to tone down here is the ink wand, which is for casters. It shoots lots of ink and has an AoE at a short range, but again, it's also a little too overpowered. Various stat regen orbs have also been added, such as health, stamina, and power. These orbs should help players balance out their character and allow them to choose how they want to customize their orbs. A lot of time has been spent revamping the UI, specifically adding outlines to the item counts in the inventory and on the stats. I've also changed the font system. Changing the font system will make it much easier in the future to support other non-English languages, and has allowed me to start work on the internationalization of the system. Soon I'll build a system where fans of the game can take the game's English strings and translate them into the language of their choosing. This past week, I added support for simplified Chinese characters. As you can see, the simplified Chinese characters work great, such as single player, multiplayer, options, and exit. That's it for this week, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more updates in the future.